Hey guys, yeah. So as you can tell, today's unboxing is going to be the most special unboxing on the channel to date. As you can see, I've already got the box unpacked a little bit because it's just easier. Anyway, yeah. So this is the PlayStation 5. This wasn't due to be at my home address till Tuesday. For whatever reason, ironically, there was a race between Assassin's Creed Valhalla PlayStation 5 version on disc that was actually in Sydney and said it was coming today. This was still in Sydney, saying that it wasn't going to be here today. It was expected on Tuesday, the 17th of November 2020. So first of all, thank you to Sony and thank you to Australia Post for this, because big thanks to Sony. I've been waiting for this ever since I got news of this. So the first thing we're going to do is unbox what we've got. Of course, you get this fancy PlayStation manual. We got the safety guide, of course. Oh, that is sick. And so far we have got the PlayStation 5's fancy stand. This thing's fancy. Yeah, this thing's just wow. I mean, look at the cable on this thing. It's so chunky, but awesome. Chunky but awesome. Of course, we have the power cable, and of course we have I was really going to be like riled up if Sony sent us a DualSense controller with the PlayStation 5 unit, disc edition, might I add, and not send us a charge cable. That alone. Okay. So it's got the same charge cable as my Samsung Galaxy S10, which is what I'm shooting on right now. So we have the magnificent cable for the PlayStation 5. We have this bad boy. PlayStation cable. Goes the power cable. I swear it's like Christmas. With the brand new PlayStation 5 wow. Now this is definitely considering size alone. That's a PlayStation 4 dual shock. That alone was awesome. But look at the difference. This thing has got more of a clean-cut design. Overall, it feels... They're about roughly the same... yeah, they're roughly about the same weight. I feel like this has got a more modern and more... a different... Like, this thing's wicked. Look at it. Like, the whole adaptive controllers, we've got all this here, so... For obvious reasons, I'm going to plug this in. You know, I think it's wicked that it's got a very similar cable to the Samsung Galaxy. I think that's hysterical. So I will admit, currently, I have no idea where I'm actually going to stick this thing. And I can confirm that my old, yeah, this is... I'm like in absolute awe, guys. I wish you guys could just like... This is literally like Christmas came early for me. going to put this on its over here for a second while we take this out. Now let's lower this down so you can see everything. This thing is insane. I approve of the cool cardboard too. If you guys can actually see this, I don't know if you can. It's little tiny triangle, circle, square, X. I'm telling you, this is like Christmas. This thing is actually really heavy. I'm like full on surprised how heavy this is. Wow. I can legitimately say, wow. Oh! So this thing's probably about a 6 kilo weight in... very roughly 6 kilos. To me it is. It feels like a rough 6 kilos. I don't even know where to begin. Like, I full on don't know where to begin because... I mean, I'm not saying that as I don't know where to begin, like what game I should play. It's more or less I don't know where to begin with. I'm assuming that is the hand control. Yeah. Look at that. How cool is this? I've seen so many videos and so many things on this already and I'm just like in awe. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. There will be some more unboxing when the rest of the accessories arrive. For now, I'm going to go play some PlayStation 5. As always, if you've enjoyed this little clip, I will show you some PlayStation 5 stuff when everything's been transferred over and I'm ready to play. Right now I'm pretty much ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have, make sure you hit the like button. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That's the most important thing. Subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to hit the little bell for notifications. I will see you in the next video. And as always, have a good one.